Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the vibrant city of Rome, Italy. We'll explore its rich history, fascinating culture, must-see landmarks, and top tourist spots. So, let's get started. First off, Rome is a city steeped in history. From the iconic Colosseum to the Pantheon, the city is a living museum, showcasing the Roman Empire's grandeur and splendor. The Vatican City, with its stunning St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, is a must-visit for art and history buffs. Rome is also a city of people and culture. The locals are warm and welcoming, and the city's vibrant street life is a sight to behold. The Piazza Navona, with its beautiful fountains and lively atmosphere, is a great place to people watch and soak in the local culture. Now, let's talk about landmarks and tourist spots. The Trevi Fountain, the Spanish Steps, and the Pantheon are just a few of the city's iconic landmarks. For a truly unique experience, head to the Borghese Gallery, where you can admire the works of Caravaggio and Bernini. When it comes to places to stay, Rome has a wide range of accommodation options, from luxurious hotels to cozy apartments. The historic center is the most popular area, but if you're looking for a more local experience, head to Trastevere or Monte. Rome is a food lover's paradise, with its delicious pasta, pizza, and gelato. Don't miss the chance to indulge in a traditional Italian meal at a local trattoria. For fun things to do, the city offers a plethora of options. Take a stroll through the picturesque streets, visit the world-renowned museums, or catch a show at the ancient Roman amphitheaters. Rome also has a vibrant nightlife scene, with clubs, bars, and live music venues scattered throughout the city. Lastly, Rome is a great destination for families. The city is packed with family-friendly attractions, such as the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Vatican museums. That's it for our tour of Rome. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into this amazing city. If you're planning a trip to Rome, be sure to check out our other travel guides for more tips and recommendations. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more travel inspiration.